Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy Equities on the Capitec app. First, open your Capitec banking app and locate the Live Better section. From there, select the Invest option, which will lead you directly to the Easy Equities platform. You can then easily link your existing Easy Equities account or register a brand new one if you are a first-time investor. This integration makes managing your investments incredibly convenient and straightforward, all within one familiar app. Once your account is set up, funding it is simple. Navigate to the Fund option within your Easy Equities profile on the Capitec app. You will then select which of your Capitec accounts you wish to use for the deposit. Enter the specific amount you want to invest. Remember, you can start with as little as 50 Rand. Confirm the transaction, and your funds will typically reflect in your Easy Equities account within minutes, ready for you to begin investing. With funds in your account, you are ready to invest. Explore the wide range of investment options available, including local and international shares, exchange-traded funds, and unit trusts. Once you have chosen an investment, specify the amount of money you wish to invest or the number of units you want to buy. Always take a moment to carefully review all your order details, including the fees, before confirming your purchase. Your investment will then be processed. Managing your investments is just as easy. You can monitor the performance of your portfolio directly through the Capitec app, seeing your gains or losses in real time. To sell an investment, simply select the asset you wish to liquidate and confirm the sale. When you are ready to access your profits, initiate a withdrawal, and the funds will be transferred back to your linked Capitec bank account, usually within 2 to 3 business days. It's that straightforward.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.